is Alain and I'm going to present you my portfolio. First, my use on fashion. Normally, I wear the sports shoes, a t-shirt and trousers. Tie normally. Also, I wear my clothes in Zara, in Alder, and in Artea, in H&M. In styling, sometimes, but not very often. My opinion about fashion is that it is a stupid idea because everyone has to have his own style. My housework, these are things that my mother says me to do, and I do, that are making my bed and washing the dishes. Also, there are things that my mother says to me to do and I don't do, mop the floor or shake the carpets. These are things that I don't usually do. Writing and reading. This slide is about writing an email to one friend, and my friend is coming on the 20th of June, just for some fun. In my house, he have to make her bed, he have to mop the floor like me, and he have to wash the dishes if he finish eating. In my house there are no more rules, just not shouting, and both went for bed at 12 o'clock more or less. History. One day when I was in the park, when I was playing, Robert entered in one shop and Robert jewelry and clothes and diamonds. This happened at 12 o'clock in the morning when it was late. Finally, I called the police and the police catch the robber. My loves and hates. I love my family, I love doing sport, running, playing rugby, and also in the break playing with my friends football. I love sleeping, of course, and I think I don't know what I hate. Maybe a stupid person or stupid people. Nomination. I nominate to this award to my coach, Brad. He's a very good boy and he have carried us to the final of Euskadi that previously we have won. I think he deserved the prize because he's a very good boy. He's a very good coach. He also plays in the first team of the Becho and is from New Zealand. My collection. I think the first personal things I had were my glasses, my snowboarding glasses that I had when I was I think 5 years old or 6. The second thing I have is my rugby t-shirt of Inglaterra, signed by a famous player. The third personal thing I have when I was, I think, 12 years old was a rugby ball that I used to play with my cousins and with my uncles in summer or in the year. I use these three things very often. A film review. I think my favorite film is Armageddon. Armageddon treats of one boy and his team that they have to go to the space to Spanish rap, and a very heavy thing lettering. The location is in USA and in the space, in the NASA building, and the actors are Bruce Willis, the principal, who stars, I think, the film. I like it because it's a very good film with a very good plot and with good actors. I think it have finished. Thank you for listening to me, and I hope you enjoyed this.